So, Avelmore Store is basically an online fashion store offering shoes and other products with a polished, boutique-style presentation. The prices and designs can look pretty tempting, but there are a few things I'd check before buying. The biggest question is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. With lesser-known online stores, quality, materials, sizing, and shipping times can sometimes be very different from what the marketing suggests. I'd also look carefully at the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, sending something back could potentially be more complicated or expensive than you expect. So, is Avelmore Store a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't trust the website purely because it looks professional. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and shipping details before placing an order. Overall, I'd approach Avelmore Store with some caution. The marketing may look convincing, but do your research first and make sure you're comfortable with the risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.